Hi everyone, my name is Richard Sexton. I'm the Chief Product Officer for MicroD. I'd like to let you know about my seminar, which is going to be at the Home Furnishings Association Retail Resource Center in Plaza Suites. It's going to be Sunday at 2:30, and the topic is going to be 4 key digital marketing best practices and the old practices they're replacing. The reason, of course, why you want to attend is you can learn of all the latest and greatest best practices in terms of what makes a successful digital marketing program, and in fact it extends a lot more than that. It's really how to run your business to focus on the new consumers who are a little less brand-centric, a little more focused on the messaging and how it's delivered. So for example, we'll talk about content, we'll talk about engagement and outreach, we'll talk about the actual on-site experience and how that has to be visualized and consumed. And then we'll talk about some of the supporting analytics that support it and the conversion optimization. These are all very key components to a successful digital marketing campaign. So we'll go into each one of those with lots of examples to help move you along. I hope you can attend.